Is your Toyota Prius refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps and music? Statistically, most connection failures are actually caused by a faulty lightning cable or a temporary glitch in the infotainment software. Let's walk through the exact steps to get your phone talking to your dash again. Start by testing a different cable, then clear your phone from the Prius settings and force a system reboot. If the car side is clear, check your iPhone settings to ensure Siri is active and CarPlay isn't blocked by content restrictions. Dive into your Prius setup menu to verify that Apple CarPlay projection is explicitly toggled to always enabled. Most issues are software related, but if the USB port itself is physically damaged, you will need a professional repair. Cables account for over half of all connection issues, so don't overlook this simple fix before assuming the worst. If you're still stuck, try plugging in a different iPhone to isolate whether the problem is the car's port or your specific device. Keep a small can of compressed air handy to clean the USB port, and always carry an MFI certified data cable. If you have tried all these steps and the head unit still refuses to connect, it is time for a firmware update at the dealership. If this guide helped you get back on the road, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more Prius tips.